The next workflow we'll look at is order sync. Similar to product sync, the order sync can happen in one of two ways. Either automatically when the invoice is created in WooCommerce, or manually at any point. Head to your WooCommerce order page and select an order. When an order is synced to MYOB, the status of this order will be updated in the order notes. Reviewing this order here, we can see that no status is included. This indicates that the order is not synced to MYOB. From Order Actions, we use the Choose Action dropdown to resync the order to MYOB. Activate this to get started. Once again, in the order notes, we can see that this has begun. We can wait for this to complete and refresh the page. If the MYOB order sync completes, you'll see the note here. Here we can see there is an issue with the sync. The error 400 is a serialization error, which indicates that there was an issue syncing the order to MYOB. You can check out the article below, which links to the common errors and solutions and how to fix this. In this case, you'll see that the error says item SKU not validated with MYOB. This is because the OPMC alpha product is not yet created in MYOB. In this case, we'll want the plugin to automatically create products in MYOB if they do not already exist. To configure this, head back to the settings page and scroll down to the invoice settings. Here you will see there's an option to create a product in MYOB if it's not found or does not already exist. Enable this setting and save the page. Once configured, we can head back to our order and retest the order. Activate the sync and wait for this to update in the order notes. Here we can see this is still loading. Great, now we can see that the invoice has been successfully synced to MYOB. Within MYOB, we can head to Sales, Invoices, and find the correct invoice. If you don't see your invoice here, ensure the filters are correct, including the date filters. The details of the invoice have been synced and you can check this. The WooCommerce number is set, so you can see the sales channel in which it came. The customer details are brought across, as well as the totals, including the amounts and products that have been synced. If at any point you're unsure or there's an error, once again you can head back to the status logs, check in the log section, and use the MYOB logs to view errors with the sync. Copy this error code and send this to the OPMC support team to get assistance with the plugin. The MYOB plugin for WooCommerce is an extremely robust plugin to sync your WooCommerce store to MYOB account right. We'd encourage you to explore the settings around simple and variable product support within the plugin. Additionally, you can configure the account codes which are synced via product level or at the inventory level. You can determine and configure how the logic maps and updates the product inventory to and from MYOB. You can also choose which details are included in the invoice in Customer Sync to ensure that this information displays in the correct format that is required by your MYOB or accounting system. Check out the MYOB plugin and reach out if you have any other questions or queries or need help with configuring, updating, or anything else regarding the MYOB plugin.